games on this Commodore 64.
Good idea,
Good
Jimmy.
idea, Jimmy.
326. Also, I have a new look.
Also, I changed my font.
What? Barney error is now incoming.
I just turned it on and now it crashed.
Wait a second. Opening Barney error. Exe? What does this mean?
This means Barney error is now coming.
Oh,
Come on, stupid Barney error.
Why Barney's voice is better sound?
Blah, blah, blah. Who cares? I will just turn it off.
No,
and it will
please
go
don't.
Away.
Disgust?
What have
New?
you done?
Why you didn't listen
What
to
do you
me?
mean,
And
what have I
also, it's
done?
just a black
You know
screen.
exactly what you did.
And how exactly?
You turned it off. I know what this means.
What does it mean?
It means that we will have punishments.
Oh
Bring it on,
great,
Barney.
we are too late.
I'm not scared of more.
I actually can't believe you completely ignored the narrator by turning off your Commodore 64. You have officially made me so
Hey, no more swearing.
You several times. Why is everything red?
Because is ultra punishment.
Alright, that's it. No time for games. That's what you get for not listening to the
I said no more swearing.
I can't handle swearing no more. In fact, I will turn it off.
No.
Who is the real Barney
Not to
X's?
Barney's.
IDK.
Well, how do you like it now? You are basically risking your PC of life. You realize that, right? Anyways, you are banned for 9999999.
I will turn off and stop saying 9 too many times.
Oh great, Barney. EXE is now strong than us.
That's right. Severe punishment is for you. And severe punishment is for the top.
Stop saying swear words. Ahaf, not the exa punishment.
Why is disgust not
Is now scary, 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 scary.
Wow. And why did you ask?
That's because Elisita is scared of Barney errors, and you aren't.
Well, by turned off.
No, not the error punishment.
And also, WHY is the background 101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010
not the mega punishment. And also, why is Barney so dark? At least I did say sulfur monoxide.
Just think about that. This is the mega punishment, and you are banned from your C64 for 50 decades. Or should I say, until you die.
Here.
Why do I actually find these punishments scary?
Bro, who is demon?
I'm done. Would you do me a favor and give
Does anyone of you see Barney? Because I can barely see him.
He's too dark.
I can't see him.
NUH
Nitrogen monoxide.
Stop saying nitrogen monoxide.
5 hours later.
Jump scare incoming, everyone. Cover your ears.
Scary.
Because you don't scare me. Now look, what have you done? You made Alicita cry. Shame on you.
Ow. My ears.
Oh my god. Not the crash punishment.
Stop crying.
Stop saying gibberish right now. You are starting to make me mad.
3 373
Why Barney tuned to a robot? Turned asterisk. Why did I say asterisk?
Moving the power button in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Not the chaos punishment. It's the punishment finale.
Nuru, not
Screw
our
you, Barney
Commodore
error.
64.
Boo.
She is now gone.